Welcome to today's review on the HP Pro Mini 400G9 Business Mini Desktop Computer. This sleek and powerful mini PC is thoughtfully designed to deliver high-end performance for business and professional users, offering speed, reliability, and convenience all in a compact form factor. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this desktop at the best price in the market. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500T processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, this PC easily handles multitasking, complex spreadsheets, and creative workloads while outperforming older generation i7s and many benchmarks, making it a perfect choice for professionals who need speed without compromise. Coupled with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, it ensures smooth operation even when running multiple applications simultaneously, preventing slowdowns and boosting productivity during busy workdays. Storage is a generous 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast boot times, quick access to files, and ample space for documents, software, and essential business data, while also allowing for future storage upgrades if necessary. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770 delivers solid performance for everyday business graphics, video playback, and light creative work. Although it is not meant for high-end gaming, it handles professional tasks efficiently with crisp visuals. Networking is modern and versatile with Wi-Fi 6 support for faster wireless connections and stable streaming, alongside Bluetooth 5.2 for connecting wireless peripherals like headphones, keyboards, and mice without interruption. Connectivity options are extensive with a mix of SuperSpeed USB-A and USB-C ports on the front and rear, including a USB-C port with 20 gigabits per second signaling for rapid data transfers, multiple DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, and HDMI 2.1, allowing dual or even triple monitor setups for enhanced productivity, plus a wired RJ45 Ethernet port for reliable network performance. Running Windows 11 Professional, the system provides all the security features and productivity tools that business users expect, along with seamless compatibility with business applications, Microsoft Office, and collaboration software, ensuring a smooth workflow out of the box. One of the standout features is its compact and minimalist black design, which easily fits on any desk, behind monitors, or in tight office spaces, making it ideal for offices, co-working spaces, or home offices without sacrificing performance. Included accessories like a wired keyboard and mouse, along with the AZ-XUT cable, ensure you can get started immediately without additional purchases, which adds to the overall convenience and value of the package. Pros of this mini desktop include its remarkable performance for its size, fast SSD storage, modern connectivity options, quiet operation, and the ability to handle professional workloads reliably. Cons to note include the integrated graphics being unsuitable for heavy gaming or advanced 3D rendering, and limited storage expansion unless upgraded manually. But for most business and office tasks, this system is more than adequate. In terms of pricing, it is currently offered at a competitive deal with significant savings, making it an attractive option compared to larger desktops with similar performance specs, and the Amazon Choice designation reflects consistent customer satisfaction and strong value. Overall, the HP Pro Mini 400G9 is a versatile, reliable, and space-efficient desktop that combines modern processing power, fast storage, professional-grade operating system, and flexible connectivity, making it an excellent investment for business users who need performance, portability, and ease of setup. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your workflow and productivity with this powerful mini desktop. And remember to check the link in description below to grab it at the best available price and experience the convenience and speed it brings to your professional tasks.